As of March 18, 2025, Neymar Jr.'s estimated net worth is around $200 million. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Estimated net worth. Neymar Jr.'s net worth is estimated to be around $200 million. Source of wealth. His primary source of income is his career as a professional footballer, including his salary, endorsements, and other business ventures. Current status. Neymar Jr. recently returned to fitness after a move to his boyhood club Santos in the January transfer window. Recent injury. He was named in Brazil's squad for matches against Colombia and Argentina later this month, but he was injured in October 2023, tearing the ACL and meniscus in his left knee. Transfer investigation. In 2014, there was an investigation into the transfer fee Barcelona paid for Neymar, with contradictory information submitted to authorities. Tax fraud charges. Barcelona and Bartomeu were charged with tax fraud in the aftermath of the transfer investigation.